So here I am, me people, which reflects their traditional settlements in mountainous regions. Today we are found mainly in Manipur, India, Mizoram, India, Bangladesh, and State Myanmar, and neighboring regions. There are 9 tribes under the Semi Council, Kample, Gom, Ape, Pande, Sine, Denim, Chamkal, Zhao, and Lampi. Origins and migration. Korean tradition believe that the Saudis were traced from connection with Zhao Chao dynasty around 1027 to 221 BC, present in China. Zhao Zhou peoples were their own kingdoms. Because some conflicts, Zomi peoples were entered Yangtze and China River in Myanmar.
At the same time, now we are going to present animal blood shedding. Blood shedding was led by priests of the village. The Zomi people will believe in many spirits. Animal blood was considered sacred and powerful because of its represented life. They believed that life was blood, therefore offering blood was offering life. Blood shedding of animals was happened once in the year. It was led by priests of the village. The priest killed pig and the animal. This shedding blood supplies cleaning and purification, protection from evil, and healing from the sickness. The priest will clean all the sin of the villager. This will bring victory and protection. During our ancient forefather, the priest played very important. Now the priest is doing the blood, doing the head of the villager to protect them from harm, sickness, and bad spirit. This is how, during our forefather, they shed the blood of animal to protect the villager from harm and sickness. At the same time, whenever we speak about tribal people or the Zomi, many people know us they were headhunter. Now we are going to present headhunter. Headhunter was one of the traditional practice of tribal people. It was the act of taking the lead an enemy during the warfare or in their village. Once we say about tribal people of the Zomi, people known as these people were headhunter. They play very important role during our forefathers. The winner will cut the head of the enemy, and they carry the head of the enemy, and it will bring to grief and protection and power, also spiritual blessing for their village. Now we will present arrangement marriage or marriage arrangement. One day, there's the two men, they visit the village and saw very beautiful girl in one house. Immediately they informed to their friend, is known as none other than Brother Tamno. And they informed the brother to visit to her and then have some conversation. Three friends, they went for the girl house to have some conversation. The girls were three men. At the same time, the parents were sleep away when the young man come to visit. Now they are having some conversation with the girl, and his true friend live alone. The girl did not like the man. She don't want to love the boy. And he always think he will get married. And he went back to his family. This is how the process of arrangement marriage. He approached his family to be a wife, to ask the girl for his future wife. The family, the boy family went to the girl family to ask marriage with him. During our forefathers ancient, the girl, the daughter, she had no right to speak. She must be silent. Parents and elders will be arranged the marriage of her future partner. Parents and elders play very important role during our forefathers. This is how by forcing the man will get married. Even though the girl she don't want to get married, by forcingly will die. As soon as the priest of the village, when he heard about this situation, he came to visit the house of the man. And the priest would pray for their family. Whenever something happened in the village, priest will be the first. How the president, the pastor should be first when something happened to the believer. The priest will pray for these two can be married or not in the future. The priest always connect with the spirit. It's called the family. Say is the fall of the father. The priest say, your two couple will be no longer for the marriage. After a few months, because the girl she don't love the man, she got sick, and unfortunately, she passed away. Connection to this, now we will be coming for funeral tradition of zoning pupil. This is how our forefather played a very important role during our when somebody passed away. When the priest of the village heard about she passed, the priest will come and pray for the dead body. During our forefathers, when somebody passed away or dead, we used to give 6 or 7 days. And also, we used to dance with the dead body. It has the priest play a very important role during our forefathers. We used to dance with the dead body. This symbolizes all the sorrow and sadness will go away with the dead body. There will be no more sorrow, will be filled with happiness when they dance with the dead body. This is how our forefathers are practicing. Some of the culture and practices we are no longer existing today, but still we give very important